Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be making a guess the number game in Python, and it is very easy. It's less than 10 lines of code. So if you want to see me do this with graphical user interface in a tutorial, comment it down below. But for now, let's start the tutorial. So first of all, we're gonna import random, which is gonna be the function we're gonna be using for it to generate a random number. So the winning number, which is going to be the random number, is going to be a random number in between whatever you want. I'm going to make it be in between 0 and 100. Now, we're going to make, we should make it print something like, maybe like hello, welcome, guess a number in between 0 and 100. So I'm thinking of a number in between 0 and 100. What is it? Okay, and now we're gonna make a while loop in which is basically going to be the game in it. So first we're gonna make a variable which is gonna be playing, and it is going to be equals to true. So while you are playing and playing equals true, it will ask you for input. So your guess is gonna be input, but this won't work because the input has to be a number, otherwise it just won't work. So we're gonna have to make it be an integer, an int, and in the brackets of int we put input. So it's gonna be an input which has to be a number, otherwise it won't read it. So if guess is bigger than the winning number, it's gonna print number is too high, guess lower. Too high, guess lower. And now we're gonna make an else if statement. If the guess is smaller than the winning number, it's gonna print number too high. I mean too low. Guess higher. Okay. Now we're gonna make one final else if statement, and it is going to be if the number, if the guess is equals to the winning number, then it is going to print GG, you won. So, yeah, let's just test it out for now and see if it works. And, yeah, you can see it works. Let's just try to win it. Higher. Okay, and we won. So if you want to see me make a tutorial about how to make this with a graphical user interface, then comment it down below. But for now, see you later.